go on the airplane. Big boy.
He probably thinks you mean the toy
Oh.
he got.
Can't draw
on
that.
an airplane.
What airline are you flying?
American, which I haven't been on.
I like American.
Pretty sure they don't feed you.
No, they don't.
No, so I've got like about like 20,000 kinds of snacks at Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
We've been going Continental every other time, and they actually do some really good.
Yeah, I heard that Continental, somebody came back on
Me.
Continental.
Me. I just came from
Oh,
Me.
Yeah, I can get a cheeseburger and a salad and a candy bar.
Wow. You
Gosh.
color in here.
Now JetBlue gives you the drinks and the peanuts, or your choice of.
How was that? It doesn't fly to my parents' city. My sister was
Going, it was great. Coming back, well, that was weather. You know, it was delayed, so we actually got back at midnight when we were supposed to get back at 9. That was hard.